Paylocity's time clock feature simplifies tracking work hours, breaks, and attendance. Accessible through the Paylocity web portal or mobile app, it ensures accuracy in your timesheets. Here's how to use it. Log into Paylocity. Visit the Paylocity website or open the Paylocity mobile app. Enter your company ID, username, and password. Navigate to the time and attendance section. Clock in. On the time clock interface, click Clock in to start your work session. Confirm your entry if prompted. Ensure the system displays the correct date and time. Take breaks. To log a break, use the Start Break button. When returning, select End Break to resume work. Clock out. At the end of your shift, click Clock out to log your departure. Confirm the entry to save it. Review and edit entries. Check your timesheets in the Time Card tab. If connections are needed, submit a request to your manager. Additional features. Use View Schedule to see assigned shifts or updates. Notifications will alert you about missing punches or approvals.